friends, in this video let us see the third subdivision of fourth question of exercise 8.3. Question is, prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta. They are given the hint as write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta, and we have to use it in our problem. That simplifies the problem. This question is a very important question. It can come in 5 marks of NCERT board exam. Now let us do the sum. Let's take LHS first. Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Very clearly we have to write each of the terms in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, the whole divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Now the next term plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, the whole divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now we have to simplify these terms. Let the numerator be as such, sin theta by cos theta. In the denominator, we can take sin theta as the common denominator. So 1 becomes sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Similarly, the next term, cos theta by sin theta, the whole divided by, taking cos theta as common denominator, cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. This equation is in the form of a by b divided by c by d. This can be written as a by b into d by c. So doing it, sin theta by cos theta remains the same into sin theta goes up and divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Similarly, doing it for the second term, cos theta by sin theta into cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. By looking at the denominator, we can find that only a minus is different in the denominator. The first term has sin theta minus cos theta and the second term has cos theta minus sin theta. If we take minus from the second term, we'll get it as sin theta minus cos theta. I'll show you. Sin square theta, write the first term as such. Sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta. Taking minus outside the bracket, we get sin theta minus cos theta. Further simplifying, we get sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Minus into plus gets converted to minus. Minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now taking LCM, we have common denominator sin theta minus cos theta. We have to multiply only sin theta and cos theta to make it a common denominator. Let's take sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta as a common denominator. In the numerator, in the first term, we have to multiply sin theta. So sin square theta into sin theta minus, in the second term we have to multiply cos theta, cos square theta into cos theta. That is equal to sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. We know the formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. We have to remember this formula from our algebra. Now substituting that in our question, we get sin cube theta minus cos cube theta as sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. We can cancel out sin theta minus cos theta. We also know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So let us write 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This can also be written as 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This gets cancelled and we get 1. 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta. We know the formulas, right? 1 by sin theta is equal to cosecant theta and 1 by secant theta is cos theta, and similarly 1 by cos theta is secant theta. By substituting that in our answer, we get cosecant theta, secant theta plus 1, which is our RHS. Which is our RHS, 1 plus secant theta cos theta. So hence proved. Thank you. Happy learning.